Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the protector matches the cable diameter. This prevents bunching that causes failure. Once done, clean the connector area with alcohol so adhesive grips and debris won't create pressure points. Next, orient the protector's slit to expose the connector, then slide the protector from the plug toward the cable midpoint with steady pressure. Move slowly so the protector seats evenly around the strain point. This initial attachment sets the stage for secure, long-lasting support. Now you secure and reinforce. Position the protector so its thicker end covers the connector-to-cable transition where bending concentrates stress. This is why placement matters. Then, if the protector slips, add a short heat shrink sleeve or a wrap of thin tape over the protector base to increase friction and prevent migration. Make sure the cable's bend radius near the connector stays gentle. Keep it more than 1/2 inch where possible, because controlling that curve is how you prolong cable life. Finish with final checks. Inspect alignment visually, then give a gentle pull to confirm the protector grips without sliding. If you see intermittent connectivity or poor fit, remove the protector and retest the connector and pins directly to isolate the problem. If the protector causes slippage or won't seat, make sure you're using the correct diameter. Swapping to the right size or adding a short heat shrink sleeve is often the key fix. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Wrong size is the most common failure cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.